Hi there, Kaizen Sensei here, going to talk to you and give you a very general description or definition of what lean is. Now, what lean is an American version of the Toyota production system. It's used in manufacturing, construction, oil and gas, farming, and administration. Now, the aim of lean is to increase efficiency, productivity, and profitability by one, reducing waste and defects, two, reducing variations and variables, three, streamlining processes, and four, cutting and controlling costs without affecting quality and safety. Now, lean is a sophisticated management system with tools and secret sauces. Yeah, they use terms like Kaizen, which is basically taking small steps to get towards your goal. And the final word is continuous improvement. So that is your down and dirty definition of what lean is.